What if I told you there's a way to supercharge your coding skills? 99% of developers don't know about AI coding assistants that can boost their productivity. I'm a seasoned software developer with years of experience in the field. My videos have helped thousands of devs level up their skills and land high-paying tech jobs. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 AI-powered coding tools that will revolutionize the way you code. From Kite AI Coding Assistant to Tabnine AI Code Completion, we'll dive into the best coding tools of 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these tools to write better code, faster. You'll learn how to leverage AI to increase your coding efficiency and take your career to the next level. You're a pro developer, but let's face it, coding can be tedious. You spend hours writing the same lines of code, debugging and testing. What if I told you there's a way to change that? Most devs don't know about the secret to boosting their productivity. It's not about being a better coder, it's about working smarter. The truth is, 99% of devs are wasting time on repetitive tasks. They're not using the right tools to streamline their workflow. As a result, they're stuck in a cycle of frustration and burnout. But what if you could automate the grunt work and focus on the creative stuff? What if you had an AI-powered assistant that could help you write better code faster? That's what we're going to explore today. The top 5 AI-powered coding tools that will change the way you develop software. So, you want to know the secret to supercharging your coding skills? It's AI-powered coding tools. These tools can help you write code faster and more efficiently. Let's dive into the top 5 AI-powered coding tools you need to know. First up, Kite AI Coding Assistant. This tool provides real-time code completions and documentation. It's like having a personal coding assistant. With Kite, you can write code up to 18% faster. That's a significant boost in productivity. Next, we have Tabnine AI Code Completion. This tool uses AI to predict and complete your code. It's incredibly accurate and can save you a ton of time. Another tool you should check out is GitHub Copilot. This tool uses AI to suggest code and even entire functions. It's a game changer for developers. We also have Amazon Code Whisperer. This tool provides real-time code recommendations and can even help with code reviews. Last but not least, we have Coding Assistant by Microsoft. This tool uses AI to provide code suggestions and even help with debugging. These tools are not just for beginners, they're for any developer looking to level up their skills. By using these AI-powered coding tools, you can increase your coding efficiency and take your career to the next level. So, which tool will you start with? Remember, the key to getting ahead in the tech industry is to stay ahead of the curve. Don't just take our word for it. Try out these tools for yourself and see the difference they can make. Now, I want to give a shout out to 2 tools that have changed my coding game: Kite AI Coding Assistant and Tabnine AI Code Completion. These AI-powered coding tools have boosted my productivity by at least 30%. I've seen my coding speed increase and errors decrease. With Kite and Tabnine, you can write code faster and more accurately. Ready to supercharge your coding skills? Click the link in the description to try Kite and Tabnine today. Trust me, your coding future self will thank you.